You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this beer. If you want to learn more names of confusing German beers, including from Oktoberfest, make sure to stay tuned. So, German pronunciation: Paulaner Weissbier. Paulaner, not Paulaner. Paulaner Weissbier. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.